In this demo, we'll learn how to search and view embargo OPSL permits and permit requests in the AAR embargo system. Permits are requested when specific shipments need to proceed to an embargo destination. At times, you may need to search for an approved or requested permit. You can only view permits and permit requests for the companies that you have access to. For more information, contact your company administrator. Log into raillink.com and from the Launchpad, select AAR Embargo OPSL Permit System. First, we'll show how to search for permits. From the menu bar, select Embargo Permits, Search Permits. To search for OPSL permits, select OPSL Notes Permits and Search Permits. The function is basically the same for both embargo and OPSL, but for this example, we'll demonstrate searching embargo permits. You don't have to know the permit or embargo number, but you may need to refine your search so that you don't exceed the maximum results for display. Note the permit status and check the appropriate status. Then click Search. You may need to use the scroll bar on the right to scroll through all the permits in the display. Sort the list in ascending or descending order by clicking on the heading title of a column. Click the download icon to save the list to your local computer. To view a permit, select the appropriate link in the permit number column, and the permit is displayed. Scroll to the bottom to see the available actions for the permit. Printable View allows you to view a printable version of the permit. Return returns you to the search permit results. And Cancel Permit is available for effective permits and allows you to cancel the permit. View Audit Log allows you to view permit changes. You can also export the details to XML and CSV files. If you know the permit number, you can search directly on the permit number to view any single permit regardless of status. Select Embargo Permits, Search Permit Number, or OPSL Note Permits, Search Permit Number. This search is also available on the public embargo system at aaремbargo.raillink.com. Next, let's look at how to search for permit requests. This is where you can search for permits that are pending approval or have been rejected. From the menu bar, select Embargo Permits, Search Permit Requests. You do not need to know the embargo number. Click the Search button. Search results are limited to 30 days. Like the previous search results, you can sort on a column. From this list, you have the option to view details for both the permit request and the embargo by clicking on the appropriate link. For this example, we'll open the request ID. For more details on searching permits or the permit process, refer to the AAR Embargo's user guide by selecting Help from the menu bar. That wraps up our brief overview on searching for permits in the AAR embargo system. Contact us for more information.